Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a refreshing topic that could transform your daily routine: the benefits of drinking warm lemon water every day. Get ready to sip your way to better health. Make lemon water with half a lemon for 1 cup of warm, hot or cold water. Whatever you prefer. You can also add honey, berries, and much more for flavor. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second and it will help you because your brain will see it as you committing to your health. One of the standout benefits of drinking warm lemon water daily is its ability to boost your immune system. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in enhancing immune function. Just 1 lemon can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs, helping to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. In addition to vitamin C, lemons are rich in antioxidants that help combat free radicals in the body. These antioxidants work tirelessly to protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and infections. By incorporating warm lemon water into your routine, you're not just enjoying a refreshing drink, you're actively supporting your body's defenses. A strong immune system is vital for overall health, as it helps you ward off illnesses and recover more quickly when you do get sick. So, let's raise a glass of warm lemon water to a healthier, more resilient you. Drinking warm lemon water can be a game changer for your digestive health. The citric acid in lemon juice closely resembles the natural acids found in your stomach, which can help stimulate the production of digestive juices. This mimicry aids in breaking down food more efficiently, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Hydration also plays a crucial role in digestion, and warm lemon water is an excellent way to stay hydrated. Proper hydration helps maintain the mucosal lining of the digestive tract, ensuring smooth digestion and preventing issues like constipation. Additionally, many people find that warm lemon water can provide relief from bloating and indigestion. The combination of warm water and lemon can help soothe the stomach, reducing discomfort and promoting a feeling of lightness. So, if you're looking to enhance your digestive health, consider starting your day with a warm glass of lemon water. It's a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural processes. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining optimal bodily functions, and warm lemon water can be a delightful way to achieve that. Proper hydration supports everything from digestion and circulation to temperature regulation and nutrient absorption. When your body is well hydrated, you'll notice improved energy levels and overall vitality. One of the challenges many people face is finding ways to drink enough water throughout the day. Warm lemon water offers a tasty alternative to plain water, making it easier to increase your fluid intake. The zesty flavor of lemon not only enhances the taste but also adds a refreshing twist that can make hydration feel less like a chore. Moreover, hydration plays a significant role in skin health. When you're adequately hydrated, your skin appears more radiant and youthful, reducing the appearance of dryness and fine lines. So, by sipping on warm lemon water, you're not just quenching your thirst, you're also nourishing your skin and boosting your energy levels for a more vibrant you. If you're on a weight management journey, warm lemon water can be a helpful ally. One of the key benefits of this refreshing drink is its ability to curb appetite and reduce cravings. The pectin fiber found in lemons can help you feel fuller for longer, making it easier to resist those mid-afternoon snack attacks. Additionally, lemon water has metabolism-boosting properties that can support your weight loss efforts. The citric acid in lemons may enhance your metabolic rate, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. This means that incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine could give your metabolism a gentle nudge in the right direction. However, it's important to remember that lemon water is not a magic solution for weight loss. It should be part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. When combined with nutritious foods and regular exercise, warm lemon water can be a delicious and effective addition to your weight management strategy, helping you achieve your goals while enjoying the journey. Warm lemon water is not just a refreshing drink, it can also work wonders for your skin. One of the standout benefits comes from the high vitamin C content in lemons. This powerful antioxidant helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and blemishes by promoting collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Moreover, lemons have natural detoxifying effects that can help clear your skin from within. By flushing out toxins and impurities, warm lemon water can contribute to a clearer complexion, reducing the likelihood of breakouts and dullness. Hydration is another crucial factor in maintaining healthy skin, and warm lemon water is an excellent way to stay hydrated. When your body is well hydrated, your skin appears plumper and more radiant, minimizing dryness and flakiness. So, by incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine, you're not only nourishing your body but also giving your skin the hydration and nutrients it needs to look its best. Maintaining a balanced pH level in the body is crucial for overall health and wellness. The pH scale ranges from acidic to alkaline, and our bodies function best when they are slightly alkaline. An imbalance can lead to various health issues, including fatigue, inflammation, and digestive problems. Interestingly, while lemons are acidic in nature, they have an alkalizing effect once metabolized in the body. This means that drinking warm lemon water can help promote a more alkaline environment, counteracting acidity and supporting your body's natural pH balance. By incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine, you can help maintain this balance, which is essential for optimal bodily functions. A balanced pH can enhance energy levels, improve digestion, and even boost your immune system. Additionally, it can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall well-being. So, sipping on warm lemon water not only refreshes you but also plays a vital role in supporting your body's health from the inside out. Warm lemon water is not just a delightful drink, it can also significantly improve your oral health. One of the key benefits comes from the antibacterial properties of lemon. These natural compounds help combat the bacteria that cause bad breath, leaving your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Additionally, staying hydrated is essential for maintaining good oral hygiene, and warm lemon water is a tasty way to boost your fluid intake. Proper hydration helps wash away food particles and bacteria, reducing the risk of plaque buildup and promoting healthier gums. Having fresh breath is important for confidence and social interactions. Whether you're meeting new people or engaging in conversations with friends, knowing that your breath is fresh can make a world of difference in how you feel. By incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine, you're not only enhancing your oral health but also ensuring that you can approach social situations with confidence and ease. So, sip away and enjoy the benefits of fresh breath. Starting your day with warm lemon water can be a fantastic way to boost your mood and energy levels. Hydration plays a crucial role in maintaining mental clarity and emotional well-being. When your body is well hydrated, it can function optimally, which directly impacts your mood. Additionally, the vitamin C found in lemons is known to help reduce feelings of fatigue and stress, promoting a more positive outlook. The refreshing nature of lemon water makes it an ideal morning energizer. The bright, zesty flavor can awaken your senses and provide a gentle lift, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Many people find that sipping warm lemon water in the morning helps them feel more alert and ready to tackle their tasks. Moreover, staying hydrated is essential for cognitive function. Dehydration can lead to feelings of sluggishness and decreased concentration. By incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine, you're not only enhancing your mood but also ensuring that you stay mentally sharp and energized throughout the day. Warm lemon water is a powerful ally in the detoxification process, primarily due to its liver-supporting properties. The citric acid in lemons stimulates the liver, enhancing its ability to produce enzymes that aid in breaking down toxins. This natural support helps your body efficiently eliminate waste and maintain optimal function. Hydration is another critical component of detoxification, and warm lemon water is an excellent way to stay hydrated. When you drink enough fluids, your kidneys can effectively flush out toxins, reducing the burden on your liver and promoting overall health. Proper hydration also helps maintain the balance of bodily fluids, which is essential for various metabolic processes. Detoxification is vital for overall health, as it helps remove harmful substances that can accumulate in the body over time. By incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine, you're not only supporting your liver and hydration levels but also promoting a healthier, more vibrant you. So, sip on this refreshing drink and give your body the detox it deserves. Warm lemon water can be a simple yet effective addition to your routine for improving cardiovascular health. One of the key components of lemons is vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to lower the risk of heart disease. By helping to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, vitamin C supports overall heart function and can contribute to healthier arteries. Hydration also plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Drinking warm lemon water helps keep your body hydrated, which is essential for proper circulation and blood flow. When you're well hydrated, your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, promoting better cardiovascular health. A healthy heart is crucial for longevity and quality of life. By taking proactive steps to support your heart health, such as incorporating warm lemon water into your daily routine, you're investing in your long-term well-being. So, raise a glass of warm lemon water and toast to a healthier heart and a longer, more vibrant life. In today's video, we explored the numerous benefits of drinking warm lemon water daily. From boosting your immune system with vitamin C to aiding digestion and promoting hydration, this simple remedy offers a wealth of health advantages. We also discussed how it can enhance skin health, support weight loss, and improve heart health, making it a fantastic addition to your wellness routine. The key takeaway is that incorporating warm lemon water into your daily life can significantly enhance your overall well-being. It's an easy and refreshing way to support your body's natural functions while enjoying a delicious drink. We encourage you to give warm lemon water a try and experience its benefits for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these health tips. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable insights on your journey to better health.